Hey learners, welcome back to Edu Intern Voyage. Your learning journey starts. If you are a BCom student who wants simple, clear, and reliable study content, subscribe to Edu Intern Voyage, like the videos, and start your learning journey today.
Of marketing. 1. Meaning of market. A market refers to a place or system where buyers and sellers interact to exchange goods and services for money. It does not always mean a physical place, it can also be online. 2. Definition of market. According to Philip Kotler, a market consists of all the potential customers sharing a particular need or want who might be willing and able to engage in exchange to satisfy that need or want. 3. Meaning of niche market. A niche market is a small, specific segment of a larger market with special needs or preferences that are not fully served by big companies. Functions of marketing. Marketing plays a vital role in the success of a business by ensuring that goods and services reach consumers in the right form, at the right place, time, and price. The major functions of marketing are explained below. 1. Buying and assembling. Marketing begins with the purchase of raw materials, semi-finished, or finished goods. Goods are collected from different sources and assembled for further processing or sale. 2. Selling. Selling involves transferring ownership of goods from seller to buyer. It includes activities such as advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, and distribution to increase sales. 3. Transportation. Transportation creates place utility by moving goods from places of production to places of consumption. It ensures timely availability of products in markets. 4. Storage and warehousing. Storage creates time utility by holding goods until they are needed. Warehousing protects goods from damage and helps maintain a regular supply. 5. Standardization and grading. Standardization ensures uniformity in quality, size, and weight of products. Grading involves classifying goods based on quality standards, which helps in fair pricing. 6. Packaging and labeling. Packaging protects goods during handling and transportation. Labeling provides important information such as brand name, price, ingredients, and usage instructions. 7. Pricing. Pricing is the process of fixing the price of a product. Proper pricing helps in attracting customers, facing competition, and earning profits. 8. Financing. Financing provides the required funds for marketing activities like transportation, storage, and promotion. Banks and financial institutions support this function. 9. Risk bearing. Marketing involves risks such as price fluctuations, damage, theft, and changes in consumer demand. Marketers bear these risks to ensure smooth distribution. 10. Market information. Market information involves collecting and analyzing data related to consumer preferences, competitors, prices, and market trends. This helps in effective decision-making. Conclusion. Thus, marketing functions are essential for bridging the gap between producers and consumers and for the smooth flow of goods and services in the economy. Evolution of marketing. The evolution of marketing refers to the different stages through which marketing has developed over time according to changes in business conditions, competition, and consumer behavior. The important stages in the evolution of marketing are explained below. 1. Production concept. In the early stage, businesses focused mainly on production efficiency. It was believed that consumers prefer products that are widely available and low in cost. Companies concentrated on mass production and cost reduction. 2. Product concept. Under this concept, emphasis was given to product quality, performance, and features. Firms believed that consumers prefer superior products, so they focused on continuous product improvement. 3. Selling concept. During this stage, production exceeded demand, and companies focused on selling and promotion. Aggressive advertising, personal selling, and sales promotion were used to convince consumers to buy products. 4. Marketing concept. The marketing concept focuses on customer needs and satisfaction. Firms first identify customer needs and then design products and services to satisfy those needs better than competitors. Customer satisfaction became the key objective. 5. Societal marketing concept. This concept emphasizes not only customer satisfaction but also social welfare and long-term interests of society. Businesses consider environmental protection, consumer safety, and ethical practices along with profits. 6. Relationship marketing. Modern marketing focuses on building long-term relationships with customers rather than one-time sales. Customer loyalty, trust, and after-sales service are given importance. 7. Digital and modern marketing. With the growth of the internet and technology, marketing has evolved into digital marketing. Online advertising, social media marketing, e-commerce, and data-driven marketing play a major role today. Conclusion. The evolution of marketing shows a shift from a production-oriented approach to a customer-centric and socially responsible approach, highlighting the growing importance of consumer satisfaction and long-term relationships. Role and importance of marketing. Marketing plays a crucial role in the growth of business and the development of the economy. It acts as a bridge between producers and consumers by ensuring that goods and services reach the right customers at the right time and place. The role and importance of marketing are explained below. 1. Identification of consumer needs. Marketing helps in identifying the needs, wants, and preferences of consumers through market research. Products are designed according to customer requirements. 2. Creation of utility. Marketing creates form, place, time, and possession utility, which increases the value of goods and services to consumers. 3. Facilitates exchange of goods and services. Marketing enables smooth exchange between buyers and sellers by performing activities like buying, selling, transportation, and storage. 4. Helps in product planning and development. Marketing provides information about customer expectations, helping firms to improve existing products and develop new ones. 5. Increases sales and profits. Through advertising, sales promotion, and personal selling, marketing increases sales volume and helps firms earn profits. 6. Generates employment opportunities. Marketing creates employment in areas such as advertising, sales, logistics, market research, and customer service. 7. Supports economic development. Marketing encourages production, consumption, and investment, thereby contributing to national income and economic growth. 8. Enhances standard of living. By making goods available at affordable prices and improving quality, marketing helps raise the standard of living of people. 9. Promotes competition and innovation. Marketing increases competition among firms, leading to better quality products, fair prices, and continuous innovation. 10. Customer satisfaction and relationship building. Modern marketing focuses on customer satisfaction and building long-term relationships, which ensures business stability and loyalty. Conclusion. Thus, marketing is essential not only for business success but also for consumer satisfaction and overall economic development. Classification of market. A market refers to a system where buyers and sellers interact for the exchange of goods and services. Markets can be classified on various bases depending on the nature of buyers, area, time, competition, and volume of transactions. The important classifications of market are explained below. 1. On the basis of area. Local market, goods are sold within a small locality. Example, vegetable markets. National market, goods are sold within a country. Example, Indian FMCG market. International market, goods are traded between countries. Example, export of textiles. 2. On the basis of volume of business. Wholesale market, goods are sold in large quantities. Retail market, goods are sold in small quantities to consumers. 3. On the basis of time. Very short period market, supply cannot be increased. Example, fresh fish. Short period market, limited change in supply. Long period market, supply can be adjusted fully. 4. On the basis of nature of transactions. Spot market, immediate delivery and payment. Future market, delivery and payment at a future date. 5. On the basis of competition. Perfect market, large number of buyers and sellers. Imperfect market, monopoly, oligopoly, and monopolistic competition. 6. On the basis of nature of goods. Consumer goods market, goods for final consumption. Example, food, clothes. Industrial goods market, goods used for production. Example, machinery, raw materials. 7. On the basis of nature of buyers. Consumer market, individual buyers. Business market, firms and industries. Government market, government departments. Institutional market, schools, hospitals, colleges. 8. On the basis of regulation. Regulated market, controlled by government rules. Example, agricultural markets, APMC. Unregulated market, no strict government control. Conclusion. Thus, markets can be classified on different bases to understand their structure and functioning, which helps marketers in planning effective marketing strategies. Niche marketing. Niche marketing is a marketing strategy that focuses on a small, specific segment of a larger market with unique needs and preferences. Instead of targeting the mass market, firms concentrate on a well-defined group of customers and offer specialized products or services. Meaning of niche marketing. Niche marketing involves identifying a narrow market segment and serving it effectively by understanding its specific needs better than competitors. Features of niche marketing. Targets a specific group of customers. Focuses on specialized products or services. Faces less competition compared to mass markets. Emphasizes customer loyalty and relationships. Allows firms to charge premium prices due to uniqueness. Importance of niche marketing. Helps small businesses compete with large firms. Reduces marketing costs due to focused promotion. Increases customer satisfaction. Builds strong brand identity. Ensures long-term business sustainability. Examples of niche marketing. Royal Enfield targets customers who prefer classic-style motorcycles. Patanjali focuses on customers interested in Ayurvedic and natural products. Lenskart blue light glasses target people working long hours on computers. Vegan food brands target health-conscious consumers. Advantages of niche marketing. Less competition. Better understanding of customer needs. Higher profit margins. Strong customer loyalty. Limitations of niche marketing. Limited market size. High dependency on a small customer group. Risk if customer preferences change. Conclusion. Niche marketing is an effective strategy for firms that aim to serve specific customer needs efficiently. When properly implemented, it helps in building strong customer relationships and sustainable growth. Unit 2.